Hi guys, it's Ian at IJ CNC Services and Taskia Rex here. I'd like to give you a walkthrough on our new fossil preparation cabinet. It's mainly designed for fossil preparation, but could be used for any sort of grinding or anything that produces dust, electronic cleaning, anything that you might need small pneumatic tools for and or an air abrasive. It's basically made from 18mm birch plywood with a white laminate face. All the edges are edge banded to the same colour. The arm ports are reinforced with a O-ring seal under here that lead into a metal cuff support, which take two arm cuffs to protect your sleeves and arms from chippings and dust. The ends of the cuffs actually have a very wide, comfortable elastic wrist seal, which is much better than the cheaper just single elastic band ones which tend to cut into your arms. Underneath this we have a solid 12mm thick corian or solid surface dust plate. This you can lift out, and there's a gap of approximately ½ an inch under here to allow for dust and chippings to go through the holes, or they can be brushed through the holes to save cleaning it out every 5 minutes. Maybe clean it out once every couple of days. The exhaust port, which leads to your extraction system, is designed to fit a Henry Hoover type system, but obviously we recommend that you use a cyclone, mini cyclone separator for that. We'll be producing a full preparation bench to go with this later, which will include a cyclone separator, so you may want to take a look at that. The lid, which slides down through these edge grooves, is made from solid 6mm toughened glass, so safety first. It won't crack like normal glass, and it won't scratch or trap dust like acrylic. I would definitely steer away from boxes that are made of acrylic because they'll last about 5 minutes. On the other side we have a door that opens. This is sealed around the inside to prevent dust escaping. And you can put in small to medium-sized fossils through this door when you're prepping them. If you've got something large, you can obviously slide the glass back and put it in that way. Below this there's a brushed port where you can put your pneumatic tools through. The brush obviously reduces dust and chippings flying out. We will be producing a plug for this, so if you mainly do air abrasive work, you can plug this from the inside just for added dust blocking capability, I guess you'd call it. In here there's a hole for the lead that goes into the full length LED light at the back here. This is a daylight LED light, so it gives that nice natural light, not that horrible yellow colour, or it's not too blue either, so it makes perfect working conditions, especially in conjunction with the white plate and the white body. You get great illumination. We believe we're the only people making these sort of things specifically for fossil preparation in the UK. They're made in our workshop here near Luton. They're all precision cut on CNC machines, and I've had many years experience in fossil preparation, and we've come up with this design through a number of prototypes to give you the best outcome. You can check it out on Etsy, eBay, or contact me directly through our website, Taskia Rex. Hope that gives you a brief overview of our new preparation box, and hope to speak to you soon. Take care.